11 late night. Cars running on the road can be seen as light. Light runs along the light and light follows it again. With a slight difference in distance, the light runs while drawing a line accurately, horizontally. We were in that light. The ideal shakes in the running light, unknowingly more than you run without a break. Run into the darkness, and at the end of the darkness, more than 4 of you fall asleep. Your eyes must be tired. It was my destiny to run alone in the dark, just as it's meant to be seen as light. Just as it's meant to be seen as light. When light runs faster, to see the brighter light of running fast, no one can stop, and the darkness seems to swallow even more. As the night progresses, the light becomes clearer and somber. Even if darkness weighs on your hard eyelids, it runs with light as if its mission is to shine. Darkness sits on top of his head and on his lap for a moment, whispering softly, take a rest now. The darkness swallows